Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to this channel. Today I'll be sharing with you my RBI Phase 1 result, and I've also appeared for SIDBI and PFRDA exam. So I'll also be sharing with you कि उन दोनों exam का मेरा क्या result रहा. So, but first I'll be starting with RBI result. I could not clear Phase 1. Uh, am I sad? Yes, because my efforts were really true. I studied. I studied as much as I could. In the morning hours, I used to study current affairs. In the evening, I used to study quant reasoning. Now, you may say that why did I study quant reasoning? But the reason being is that I come from a commerce background, and जो लोग भी commerce background के होते हैं, उनको हमेशा एक haunt सा लगा रहता है कि quant reasoning का कट ऑफ आपका पूरा नहीं होगा या या clear नहीं होगा आपका quant reasoning का कट ऑफ. And because of that, it's not possible for people from commerce background to just let go of quant and reasoning. That's why I used to practice 1 hour every day. But I used to give major portion of my time to current affairs, and I also think that I performed well in current affairs, even though the paper was so unexpected. But what I think is the reason is not I might have fallen short of mark in English language. Um, so the reason being is I've always been a very weak student in English, not in the way of speaking, but definitely in writing, or my grammar has been weak since childhood, and I knew about it. But I tried, but uh, I tried to improve it, but not much of improvement could be done on it. So I think that might be because of that, my overall cutoff did not suffice. Um, but I don't regret failing because I have put in all my efforts, and even after putting efforts, if you fail, it's fine. But a regret that I should have studied, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. So that is all about RBI. And from past 2 days, I'm very sad because I really wanted to get into RBI. um, I was just thinking that I was like self doubt आ जाता है आपको, and I was just thinking कि am I not good enough, because I read in few comment section that I cleared like banking experience writing. I have cleared phase 1 and I don't have any idea about phase 2. So I was just thinking that is it so easy that people are clearing without preparation and I'm not able to clear it with preparation. So just a recent happening happened, and उसके बाद से I got my answer that it's not about me being weak, but people being extraordinary in this genre of which RBI takes the exam. So I think RBI is designed more in favor of banking aspirant or maybe UPSC background people because they have learned so much of current affairs in their previous dealings that even if they're not specifically studied for RBI, but they have a lot of knowledge with them. And this time paper थोड़ा वैसा ही type का था. Uh, but still I am just assuming what could be the reason. Everything will be clear only after the mark sheet is out. So next thing I was talking about SIDBI. So SIDBI का SIDBI एक ऐसा एग्जाम है जो मैंने इसलिए अपियर किया because of feeling of FOMO. I thought that SEBI will not come here this year because ऐसा trend है SEBI का कि SEBI comes in once in 2 years. So I thought SEBI is not going to come this year. So what next? If not RBI, then I have to have something as a backup. So after that, I recovered from the failure of SEBI that happened in January 2025. From March I started looking for different opportunities. So one such opportunities was NAFID, and I filled that form. After that, PFRDA and SIDBI both came together, and I filled both of the forms. However, my first priority was SIDBI, but I filled both of the forms thinking that if timings are different, one can appear for both of them. So but regarding studies, SIDBI I bought a Olive Board mock test series, and because of that I cleared phase 1. But for phase 2 I studied for 4 days because RBI का exam था 18th of October and SIDBI का exam था 4th of October. So उतना समय I could not give to SIDBI. So I decided I'll study only for 4 days. तो मैंने start किया 30th of September and 1st, 2nd and 3rd of October. ये 4 दिन मिला के मैंने SIDBI के लिए तैयारी किया. आई थिंक कि इन 4 दिन के हिसाब से भी मैंने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. आई डोंट थिंक कि कट ऑफ से बहुत नीचे मेरा स्कोर जाएगा. आई हैव नॉट क्लियर्ड द फेज 2, But this is what I think. After the mark sheet will be out, we'll get to know. टॉकिंग अबाउट पीएफआरडीए, पीएफआरडीए का रिजल्ट कल आउट हुआ था. पीएफआरडीए का मैंने कोई कोर्स नहीं लिया, नॉट मॉक टेस्ट नथिंग. एंड पीएफआरडीए का फॉर्म भी आई वाज नॉट इन द माइंडसेट टू फिल बिकॉज उसका पोस्टिंग दिल्ली में था. And I was thinking that Delhi I was didn't want to join, so I never was serious for PFRDA. But just because PFRDA, I thought let's fill it. And और सबसे अच्छा चीज हुआ कि सिडबी एंड पीएफआरडी का टाइमिंग डिफरेंट हो गया एंड सेंटर सेम था. So I thought if I'm going there to write for SIDBI, why not leave for few hours earlier and also write PFRDA? Nothing is going to change. So that's the mindset with which I went for PFRDA phase one. And of course, I was very sure that PFRDA phase one I will be able to clear. That much I knew. But for phase two, I did not study because that was again on 6th of October. And it was again, I wasted like approx 7-8 days before RBI exam in these two exams. um, I studied on 5th for PFRDA. That is, I watched the marathon sessions of EduTap. वो लोग run करते हैं for PFRDA. And उसमें 1-2 videos I watched just for Companies Act. And one would I might have watched for economics. I don't remember exactly. बस ये एक दो video lectures I watched. Nothing more than that. And I went to write. And while writing also I remember कि मेरे को नहीं पता था इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव का क्या पैटर्न है, कितना टाइमिंग है. तो मैंने अपने साइड वाले से आई आस्क्ड हिम दैट व्हाट इज द पैटर्न ऑफ इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव एंड ही टोल्ड मी. एंड देन आई जस्ट प्रिपेयर्ड माय माइंड कि हाउ आई हैव टू अटेम्प्ट इन जस्ट 60 मिनट्स. तो देन एंड देयर आफ्टर दैट आई अटेम्प्टेड. मेरे को क्वेश्चन सच बोलूं तो उतना याद नहीं आ रहा था. But just with the level of guesswork and what could be the probable answer, I just attempted the paper and I attempted 41 questions out of 50 and I completed my English descriptive. It was all about my PFRD preparation and the result came out yesterday and I cleared the exam. SEBI has come in. I was not expecting SEBI to come in this year and hope so I clear SEBI. Then it'll be end of my journey for this examination process and I'll be relaxed because it's very brutal and it's very painful, you know. The hope, everything ends when the results come. आप लोगों में से अगर किसी का भी ऐसा हो रहा है कि बार बार एग्जाम क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है, आई थिंक यू शुड लुक इन टू प्राइवेट सेक्टर ऑल्सो because seats are so low now that you should not only rely on these exams. Is what I have realized in this. Like I have written only one serious attempt of RBA and as of now one attempt of SEBI. This year I have attempted like second attempt. This is my second attempt. This year I have attempted other exams like SIDBI, PFRDA and NAFID. That's all I have done. I didn't appear for IFSCA or NABARD or nothing I have done. But only with this much limited experience of mine, I can tell you it's very brutal and it's very heartbreaking. So I think if that's the case that you have been applying for years and you're not getting results, you should also look for private sector. And then with a job, you can do these things. If you only do these things, this can really put a lot of stress and anxiety on you. So that's what I have realized in these two attempts of mine. And that's all I wanted to tell you all. What next, if I talk about, is I'll focus on PFRDA interview because I know for a reason that I've not scored well in phase paper two. I might have cleared the cutoff, but I know I'm not among the top people as I was in SEBI. So I have to work hard for in interview in order to get through. And also I'll start preparing for SEBI because it's been time that I have been in touch with costing or economics or law, something like that. And I wish you all the best. I hope आप लोग जिस भी जर्नी में हो अच्छा से परफॉर्म करो. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.